Hi students, today we are going to learn the topic uniform circular motion. First of all, what is circular motion? It is a type of motion in which a body moves in a circular path. Okay, suppose if the speed of the body moving in a circular path is always the same, then only it can be called as uniform circular motion. So for uniform circular motion, 2 points are required. One is the body should move in a circular path. So the path is circular. Then what is the other important point? With constant speed. So speed is a constant. Now best examples for uniform circular motion, I can say that the motion of or revolution of moon around the earth. Okay, moon around the earth. This is uniform circular motion. Another scientific and best example I can give that electrons revolving around the nucleus. So another example is the revolving of electron. So the revolution of electrons around the nucleus of an atom, around the nucleus of an atom. So in both these cases, either the moon or the electron is revolving with the constant speed. Now, why we cannot say that the velocity of the body is uniform here in place of speed? In place of speed, why not we use the word velocity? We cannot use that the velocity is constant, because velocity is a physical quantity which has both magnitude as well as direction. But in uniform circular motion, when the body is traveling and crossing each points like A, B, C and D, the direction of the velocity will be continuously changing. You see here, the velocity of the particle at A is tangential to the circular path, and this is towards the east. Okay, this is towards the east. And at the point B, the direction of the velocity is pointed upwards towards the north. Similarly, the direction of the velocity at point C is pointing towards the left, that is west. And finally at point B, the direction of the velocity is downwards, that is towards the south. So this is towards the east, this is towards the north, this is towards the west, and this is towards the south. So even though if the magnitude of the velocity, namely the speed, is constant, the direction of the velocity is continuously changing. That is why, how to define uniform circular motion? It is a type of motion in which the particle or the body revolves in a circular path with constant speed and not with constant velocity. So at each and every instant of time, if you find the direction of the velocity by drawing the tangent to the circle at these points, it is found to be different. Understand? So when you say that if it is having constant velocity means, then the answer goes wrong. So take care. Okay. So 2 points should be remembered in uniform circular motion. The path is circular, circumference of a circle, and the speed is constant. Okay, so other than this, there are many other examples. Okay, wherever the speed is constant and the body is moving along a circular path only is called as uniform circular motion. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.